What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to check the rear differential fluid level on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So with the vehicle raised, and make sure the vehicle's level, on the passenger side of the differential there's a fill plug right there, and that's how you check the level. We're going to use a 10mm hex bit, and I'm going to use a ratchet. Loosen this up. It's on there pretty tight. It shouldn't be that tight, but it's probably because this one's been on there for a long time. This may never have come out before. All right, so what you want is a good steady stream. It looks like it might be a little bit on the overfull side, so we can let that drain out a little bit, but you want the fluid level to be right up to the base of the fill hole. So that's at the proper level. If you wanted to add some, you can check your owner's manual and get the appropriate type of fluid. It is a good idea to replace this gasket. I don't have a new gasket, so I'm just gonna reuse the old one. Reinsert the fill plug. Then take the 10mm hex socket and the ratchet and tighten it up. You just want to snug it up, not too tight. That's good. Now I'll take a little brake parts cleaner and just clean it off. And take a rag, wipe it off, and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.